For this website, you will be creating a learning program for children living with Down syndrome. So the homepage of this website looks exactly like this, and it's just explaining what you're going to be doing. So once you do this, you're going to go to the What Makes a Good Program tab. And when you get here, it's just going to explain some strong characteristics and some weak characteristics of a program. And you're actually going to want to click this YouTube link where you're going to be directed towards a video that is an example of a program that currently actually exists. So after you're done watching this video, you're going to go to the Test Your Knowledge tab, and actually the first link is to a Padlet. You're going to head to that link and participate in the class discussion with some peers of yours that are also using this website. Once you do that, you're going to want to learn some more information about these strong characteristics. It's really going to be beneficial to creating your own program. So you're going to head into technology integration, and you're going to be given a wide span of information that explains why technology is so important in these programs. And you also want to dig into a little bit more of why visual arts are important. And you'll also just be given a variety of information once again that explains why it is so important. You're going to head into constant engagement, where we're once again just explaining why constant engagement is important for children with disabilities and why it is seen as such a strong characteristic of a program. So once you're done going through these tabs, you want to make sure you understand why and how these are so important. So we have a variety of Kahoot games and a poll everywhere. Kahoot, you're just going to press these links, head into the game and start playing it. And for poll everywhere, it's just a little survey you're going to take. Now, you've gotten a decent amount of information about what makes a good program strong. And if you're heading and you're listening to and you're on this page, you want to think about an idea and a lesson you could teach to children with disabilities. So we're going to test your knowledge and show some of your skills. So you've participated in a variety of like online games and online knowledge. So we want you to go to WordPress.com with this link given, and we want you to be able to write what you think you want to talk about, and write about an idea you have, and we want you to create a formal outline. And we want to make sure you include how you integrated technology, how you integrated visual arts, how you integrated constant engagement, and what your lesson really is. And your instructor will go online and review this for you and give you some feedback on what was good and what could be fixed. You also want to go take a poll everywhere. See what classroom your lesson is going to best fit. See what's going to work for you best. You're then going to get some feedback on how your program could be fixed and what is great, and you're going to work on those and tweak that program so it's perfect. Once you've done that, we want you to create an iMovie, and we want you to send that via email to this email. Once you've done that, you've created a lesson and you've really done a lot of hard work that will maybe potentially change the way a child learns.